What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bryce, 510 Visualz, and we back, baby, cooking up that sauce. We have another BTS video from a shoot I did with Savannah, where we did 3 different setups using only 1 or 2 lights to get shots like this. I'm going to talk you through my thought process on this session and about the lighting setups, so let's get active. So the overall theme is like high fashion, futuristic. Savannah hit me up and said she had a bodysuit and some crazy poses she wanted to try, so of course I said yes. The first setup is using 2 lights. I got my OG Godox 8600M with the optical lens on the background to give us that spotlight look on the red. Then I have my 8600 Pro with a 46-inch octo, that's the key light. This is my favorite way to use a large modifier. I put it on a boom and then point it down towards the ground. This gives me complete control over the background's exposure and allows me to get my signature look. I keep that light slightly in front of Savannah and tilt it to her just a little bit. This is gonna make sure I don't give her raccoon eyes and I can still get my catch lights. We snap off a few shots of her standing, and then I move my posing box in to get a different look. The box made her taller compared to my light, so I raised it up to match that change. Then I swapped that box for another box that we have in the studio so she could lay long. When we were shooting with this box, I got the idea to move her over to my window and use that box to get some variety. This is set 2. Now that we're at the window, I'm only using 1 light. And y'all know I love to preach about that triangle relationship between me, the model, and the light, and you can see it here. I did end up bringing in my V-flat to bounce some more light back into her face. From there, I just move around, seeing what I see, snapping from any and all angles. Last setup was back on the red with 2 lights, the same key light from before, but this time I added an 80-200 with a 2-foot strip box and a grid for some edge light. We moved to the floor and put these dope shades on that Savannah brought, but she forgot about them until now. Here's some of the final images from this session. All right, thanks for kicking it with your boy. Make sure you leave a like, drop a comment down below, subscribe for the jug, and remember, it's all gas, no brakes. Whatever you do it moving. Yee! We out of here, baby. Peace.